This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Sentinel ship in no man's sky. First, you need to provoke the Sentinels by attacking their forces on a planet or in space. This will escalate the conflict, eventually leading to a battle with a Sentinel freighter. Focus on disabling its defenses and engines, then prepare to board. This method offers a unique way to acquire a powerful new starship. To begin, find a planet with active Sentinels and start destroying them. Your wanted level will increase, eventually reaching 5 stars. This will trigger a Sentinel freighter to warp into the system. You can also achieve this by engaging Sentinel ships in space. Once the freighter arrives, the real challenge begins, so be ready for a fight. Once the Sentinel freighter appears, focus your fire on its weapon systems and shield generators. After disabling its defenses, target the 4 large engine thrusters. Destroying these will immobilize the freighter. With the engines down, a hangar bay will open, allowing you to fly inside and land your ship. Prepare to explore the interior. Inside the freighter, navigate through the corridors to find the main control room. There, you will locate a terminal that allows you to claim the Sentinel Interceptor as your own. This powerful ship offers unique abilities and a distinct aesthetic. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your new, formidable starship.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.